If you're looking for the easiest and most refreshing summer drink, you're going to love these two lemonade recipes. One is sweet and fruity and the other has an amazing fizzy twist. Kitchen gamblers, this isn't just lemonade. This is the most refreshing drink you'll make all summer. Let's make it. First, we'll prepare a simple sugar syrup. Grab a 500 ml bottle, add 4 tablespoons of sugar, then pour in 250 ml of warm water. Close the lid and give it a good shake until the sugar completely dissolves. That's it, your sugar syrup is ready, set it aside. Now for our first lemonade, take a serving glass and slice one medium lemon into wedges. Add all the veggies to the glass, then pour in about 70 ml of sugar syrup. Using a pestle, gently press the lemon veggies to release all that fresh juicy flavor. This step makes a huge difference, so don't skip it. Next, fill the glass with plenty of ice, add 3 tablespoons of strawberry syrup, then top it up with cold water. Give everything a good mix and your strawberry lemonade is ready. It's refreshing, fruity and perfect for a hot summer day. Now let's make the second version. Beat the heat with this vibrant strawberry blueberry lemonade. Again, start with one medium lemon cut into veggies and add it to a glass. Pour in around 60 ml of the sugar syrup. Then use the pestle to press the lemon and extract all the juice. Fill the glass with ice, add 2 tablespoons of strawberry syrup, and here's the fun part. Top it off with your favorite blueberry fizzy drink, give it a gentle stir, and watch that beautiful color come together. This one is bubbly, refreshing, and packed with berry flavor. And just like that, you've got two incredibly easy homemade lemonades. Which one would you try first? Subscribe for more easy recipes, and I'll see you in the next one.